So now let's see how we can work around with Scanlines and Shake effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a clip, and if I were to go around under the effects tab right here, then what I can do is I can scroll down and go around onto the run section, and here you can see that Scanline is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag out the scan line over here, let me just go around and click and drag this out over here onto this particular clip, then I can see the scan line like an OTB. So here you can go around and select heavy right here, or you can go around and select light right here, or you can select moderate, as you can see right here. You can change around the frequency as well and change around the sharpness level as well, and you can see the scan lines accordingly. You can go around and then change the shift of the scan line right here, just like this as well, and then work around with it. So you can go around and change this out according to how you like right here. You can go around and change around the sharpness and then work around with everything else, as you can see right here. And what you can also do is you can go around and change around the channel shift, as you can see right here. Like you can go around and get more reds right here, maybe decrease out a bit of blue green right here, and increase out more blue, and you can go around and shift it out. Then you can see that you can work around with the brightness of the scan line over here as well, and change around the offset right here, just like this, and so forth, as you can see right here. So this is what you have right here, as you can see. And you can go around and change around the gamma of the scan line over here as well, and then change around the saturation and smooth the source over here, just like this as well. So this is what you can do with the scan line, as you can see, and make it look like an old TV. So if I were to go around and press the play button right here, then you can see that this is the effect. On top of that, what you can also do is you can go around and add in a shake effect right here, just like this. And what happens is that it seems like an old footage now. You can see that a bit of shake is here, and now it really looks like an old TV effect right here. And for the shake, you can go around and change around the amount of shake right here, as you can see right here, just like this. You can work around with the speed, the seed of the shake effect, and you can go around and make it much more smoother over here, just like this as well, so that the shake is much more smoother. You can also go around and scale this out right here, so you can really go around and scale this out and increase and decrease the scale, as you can see right here as well. You can go around and change around the X scale, and you can go around and change around the tilt shake and so forth, and change around according to how you want. You can go around and change around the fractal level right here, amount of the scalar shake right here, just like this, and the speed of the shake right here, and really change this out according to how you want as well, as you can see, and really change it out like an old TV. So you can also enable and disable the motion blur according to the comp settings right here, or make it custom right here, so that you can see the motion blur, as you can see right here, as per the level of shake. So you can go around and scale out or decrease out the scale, and really make sure that it is smoother as per the shake right here. You can go around and change around the sample sizes for quality as well. So here you can see that you can go around and tile it out, or you can go around and then reflect it out right here. So let me just go around and tile it out right here, and for motion blur, let me just go around and turn it off, and now this is how it looks, as you can see right here. And that is how you can utilize the scanline and shake effect inside of HitFilm to make it look like an old TV effect. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.